Hi guys, it's Emma and today we're going to do a little bit of that slime. We've got one more to look at and then today I might be doing a couple more slime videos. As you can tell, I'm not feeling very well. I've just got a sunburn on my arm and it's very warm today. Apparently it's 34 degrees, but I don't think it is. Pretty warm though, but let's just get on with the video. So first of all we have this Ghostbuster slime and it's very squishy. Some of my friends at school have this slime. One person at school, I think they dyed it blue, but here's the lid, the front cover. And then this is the little box it comes in, and it just sits in the box. And you just do that and put a container, then you pour it out. It's just like.
So we get the taxi from Garth before we've led him.
But you use that Uber, you know them Uber taxis? Well, taxi.
None of them have got the money.
Loads of them like that.
It's all by PayPal, so he lives in this bar, and he grab the taxi to where he is, and it just comes from
And guys, are you ready for this?
None of them have got any. There's a bar, that side.
There we go. Eventually it fell out. This is like really stretchy. It's like just a little bit weird. It's like really jiggly. You can just do all sorts with it. It's nice and jiggly. It's pretty nice. Looks like putty, but it's slime, sort of. You can put your finger into it and like fun. Everything. I'll be fetching it to school and stuff. Real squeezy. This is the funny thing. I didn't get this container to do this with, by the way. What I'm about to show you, I don't want to do it, but I only got it because it was like a slimy thing and I really wanted more slime, and so that's why that's the only reason I got this. But it's really weird how it can also do this. Fast.
What's my chair doing there?
And my granddad's here. Shout out to Granddad.
Doing a YouTube video, Dad.
We're going to give more shout outs soon. Because I'm just showing you all that. We're going to do a couple more shout outs. Okay.
The way you were speaking.
Mum, are you wanting to go on camera?
No.
Dad?
No.
Grandma?
No.
Talk to you on camera? Okay. No one wants to be on camera, so I won't get them on camera.
Yeah.
But Grandad don't mind being on camera. Hi, Granddad. Anyway, it's time for me to end this video and I'll see you guys later. Bye.